I'm going to go to DJI Showroom. It's in Vietnam. So they have authorized showroom in Vietnam, and they have a normal stores also, like franchisee types. I'm going to the authorized showroom in Ho Chi Minh City. So I'm going to start from here and go to that place, and I'm really excited to see the products there because it's completely in India, it's banned, so I want to experience here. So I want to see the drones, I want to see the cameras, I want to see the action cameras, mics, I'm going to experience. So let's go there and see what we find new, something new about DJI. Let's go! Finally, I'm at the DJI Vietnam showroom in Ho Chi Minh City. So this is my first time entering to DJI showroom. So a little exciting to know what they have. So let's go and see what they have here. Good drones they have here. Reno.
Sorry?
How much is this?
This one is old. It's just a display model. We don't have for sale.
Oh, you
So
don't
we
have
don't have the price yet. We cannot sell drone to private user at the moment.
Okay. It's for you wholesale here or how is it?
We wholesale and also we do sell
retail.
Individually, but the thing is we cannot sell it to private user.
Private user.
We can only sell to companies or organizations.
Okay. Yeah, the old drones of DJI.
Em nhấp 2 lần vào cái máy nhấp 2 lần vào thì nó bay đi qua đi lại là nó sẽ đi theo.
So this is a DJI Mini. Comes with different colors and shapes. This one is exciting. This is the holder they get. I was looking for a price for Nano, so it is little expensive. It says Indian rupee somewhere around 30,000. So, and main part they do dealership, retail also, but I think it is expensive. Let's try the other showroom probably like by tomorrow. So till then, take care. Bye bye.